Let's talk about the newly endorsed by happily married couple Rain and Tae Hee. In 2010, Rain and Tae Hee first met when they were working together in Rain's music video, Love Story. The next year, they crossed paths again while working together for an ad for a social commerce company, Coupang TV. It was then that they started developing feelings for each other. After dating for 5 years, the couple finally announced their marriage. Rain revealed that his wife wanted a small marriage ceremony. They held their marriage at the church and they didn't have any pre-wedding photo shoots. After the wedding, they were spotted in Bali for the honeymoon. They now have 2 daughters. Rain and Tae Hee star in behind-the-scenes videos from their advertisement together. The couple teamed up for ads for Le Cloud Beds, after they starred in their first joint commercial as a couple for the product last year. In making of videos, they smile and pose for the camera and playfully joke around, with Tae Hee suggesting that it might be better if he raises his arm and Rain making her burst out laughing by saying, "I'm going to do it my way." In a second video, they check out how their shots look for their TV commercial and Rain says, "Oh, beautiful." He then jokes, "I mean that I look beautiful," commenting on the curve of his body while lying down. In another clip, while Rain and Tae Hee are cozy together on the bed, Rain gestures to Tae Hee and asks a staff member, "Isn't she pretty?" Nice good vibes of this couple Rain and Tae Hee. This is Molly reporting for K-Drama Oppa channel. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more updates and news on our favorite Korean dramas and Korean actors. Thank you for watching.